I'm very glad in behalf of the people of Salem to welcome WSLS into the Salem family. You have come into a fine community, and you have brought into this community a well-managed and successful commercial and entertainment enterprise. We think the two will go well together. Thank you very much.
We are certainly delighted to have radio station WSLS open up their studios and broadcasting facilities in Salem. I understand that these facilities and these rooms here are available to our citizens groups, churches, civic organizations, and so forth. And I certainly hope that our citizens will take advantage of this opportunity and meet here and present programs from this studio. I certainly do thank you.